Hey guys, so today I'm going to show you how to learn your garage door opener to the built-in one inside of your BMW. So first things first, you need to make sure that not only you have these buttons, but they light up when you press them. And that indicates that you actually have the proper package needed for this to work. So there's just a few steps. For some people it's quick and easy, but for a lot of people, garage door openers have a second level of security that makes this a little more difficult, and might be why you're unable to figure this out, but I'm going to show you how to do it. First things first, you need the car to be either on or in accessory mode. You need your electric garage door opener remote, and the first thing you're going to do is erase the memory of saved garage door opener frequencies or whatever. To do that, you press and hold the 1 and 3 button at the same time for maybe 15 seconds or so. The indicator light will come on, and then once it starts to blink, that's signaling that the memory has been erased. I hope you can see that, but the light is blinking very fast, indicating that it's been completely erased. Now I'm pressing the 1 button and my garage will not open anymore. So now what you do is you take your remote and you press and hold the button that will open the garage and the one that you want to program it to at the same time. Same thing until the blinking slow blink turns into a fast blink. It's blinking slow. I hope you can see it. Now it's blinking fast. So I can let go. So for some people it might be as quick and easy as that, but you may notice that the button still doesn't work. It's blinking rapidly, meaning that it has learned the frequency, but as you can see, the garage does not respond to it. So basically from here, you need to tell the garage door opener that this transmitter is okay. So it's kind of a second level of security that makes it a little bit harder to kind of infiltrate and break in if, say, you were to take someone's garage door opener and then make a duplicate. So I'll show you what you have to do now. All right, so walking up to the back of my garage door opener, it has this learn button with same thing, an orange indicator. So what you need to do is press this button and then run back to the car and press the button for the transmitter to kind of sync the two up to tell the garage door opener that it's okay to allow that signal from that source to open the garage. I mean, every garage door opener is probably going to be different. So I'm going to press this button and the indicator should hold on for maybe 30 seconds or so, I don't know, but I'm going to run to the car and I'll show you what to do. So indicator on. And then press the button, and as you can see, my garage the garage light just blinked, signaling that it just understood. So now everything should work. And just like that, the garage door opener in my car works. So yeah, I hope that helps, and check out some of my other videos for more BMW tips and entertainment. Now, thanks for watching.